Okay, so I figured something out while I was playing SlendyTubbies. Yeah, I figured something out. I mean, something out. Bro, the private server's not working. Okay, whatever. I mean, screw the private server. So we're going to SlendyTubbies. So you beat Chainsaw Dipsy, then you wait for your cooldown. When I first did this, it shocked me, made me surprised, but after that it took me a little bit more tries to do it again. As you can see, there's Poe, and I don't know what the other two are. Oh, they're probably chasing someone. Oh, yeah, they are chasing someone. Might as well help. Come here. Let me kill you and cut you up. Oh, newborn. Another newborn. Another player. Come here. Get over here. Not. Whatever. I don't really care. Ba-da-da-da. So, I know we're gonna do a little bit of glitching. Oh my god. But we're also gonna do a little bit of killing too. So we're gonna try it in different places. Looks like a girly walk whenever I walk like this. Like, oh my god, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Girly walk. Girly walk. Girly walk. Okay. Girly walk. Girly walk. Girly walk. Girly walk. I used to have 21 kills, but I left the server to record. So, to the sky. Alright, our ability is working now. Let's see if it's gonna work this time. It would be so mad if it didn't. Ready? Oh, come on. Okay, it worked a little bit. It worked a little bit. We're gonna try here again one more time, and then we're gonna go to a different place and try out some other places. Oh, let's go kill in the meantime. Where? Got another chainsaw. Oh my god. What are you? Hey, yo, don't touch me. Yo, what are you? You are disgusting as hell. You're not Dipsy. You are not a Dipsy. Why you thick AF? Why you thick? Wait, I'm thick AF. I'm about to kill someone. No! No! Now I'm about to kill someone. Yeah. Oh shit, poo. You motherfucking dodo. Oh, yeah, I shouldn't say that. Yeah, so friendly, yeah, so friendly. So friendly, so child friendly, yeah, yeah, yeah. Anyway, um, let's try again. Oh, come on. You know what? Let's try it in a different place. This is not working over here anymore. let's go kill. Hello. Hi. As I die, I for SlendyTubbies are not supposed to be fought. Only the workers of the tablet the game when let me kill you. Let me kill you. Hee hee. Yeah, also this is the thing now. Yeah, how you get up on the roof. Yeah, for you don't know. Also, this Dipsy glitch it sends you flying. Yeah, you know, get onto the roof for a second here. So when I first discovered that I was over here and this guy was down there and he didn't know because he was just looking for it. Uh huh. And I was trying to sneak up, trying to turn on my chainsaw to scare him, and I was doing this. And I did it on, and I went flying on top of him. Yeah, then I killed him. Great storytelling. Come on, hurry up. Man, I don't got all day. Oh wait, I do got all day, but I don't got all day. Look at that horde just killed. Alright, we're ready. Now let's go attack. Glitch. Yes. So more storytelling than I did in this. I did that. I did that. I went on top of him and I killed him. So evil. What the fuck? God, I get him. I got him. I got him. I got. Yes, I got him. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Anyways, we eat him. We ate him. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're celebrating. Disco. 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 Party. Party. Disco. Disco. Party. I say disco. You say party. Disco. Disco. Party. Party. And you're dead. I say disco. You say party. Disco. Disco. You're hard. Whatever. You can say it if you want. I don't really care. Where are you? Coming to kill you. This is already. Control your temper. Where are these slendy suckers? Slendy suckers at? This hella suckers at? Oh, I see something. I can use my ability. Let's just use it right here. Oh, yes, sir. Me. Alright, one more time, then I'm gonna end this topic video before it ends itself. And he's dead. Man, I should have recorded earlier. That was funny as hell. So I was up there. I was still chainsaw Dipsy, and there was a shadow guy and a Poe, and this guy wore a cat head. So he was right here. He looked behind him, and he saw me, and he jumped on my head. And the other two, he jumped on the shadow head that was behind me, and the Poe head that was behind him, and then he jumped off. Yeah, I should have recorded that. That would have been funny. Show your temper. Oh, Dipsy killed by a Dipsy. Let's go. So normal. Only in Ohio, y'all. Just, just like, just like one city from in Ohio. Oh, come here. Just a normal day in Ohio. You little rat, you stole my kill. You little rat, you stole my kill. And I'm gonna. Oh, yes, I stole your kill now. It's mine now. Ah! What was that? Okay, we're ready. We're ready before the video ends. Oh my god, I gotta run, 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 run. No, I can't climb the ladder. What is the physics of this game? Seriously, what is the physics of this game? Control your temper. Hi, newborn. More like newborn. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna end the video here. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. So, I'll see y'all later. Let's just end it with Poe. The motherfucking Poe.